Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got the first update for my rolling 5 pan. I started this project a month ago, kind of just to get some products in here that are either close to being used up or maybe some body products that I wanted to focus on as well. I had 2 makeup products and 3 body products in here last time. Let's take a quick look at those. First of all, I had the Body Shop Peppermint Candy Cane Body Lotion. I started up here and right now I am down to here. Haven't used this as much as I wanted to. I'm just not that great in using body lotion, and that is exactly the reason why I put this in here. I'm gonna try and make a little bit more progress by next time. I do have another body lotion that I'm trying to finish off as well, but that really only has teeny tiny bit. I have it upside down right now. I thought I would easily manage to at least finish that one off before today, but I didn't. Anyway, I'm gonna keep working on this one. I'd say probably I'm gonna shoot for 2 more updates to have this one done, because I don't think 1 is actually feasible. Then one that I'm hoping I can actually finish off by the next update is Bunny Moon, and this is a jelly mask from Lush face mask. And this is what I still have left. As you can see, there is less than half of this left. It's so nice that it's like jelly. I really like the consistency of this. It's really fun. When I showed you guys this last time, there was about 1/3 gone already, and now I've got a little bit more than 1/3 left, but I think I should be able to finish all of this off by next time if I'm gonna keep using this about 2 times a week. Then we also had Let the Good Times Roll from Lush, and I'm actually hoping I can also finish this one off by the next update. This is all there is left in here. Last time I was about at the white marking, and now I'm kind of halfway at the white marking, so I feel like I should be able to finish this one off within the next month, but we'll see. I love this product. It smells so amazing, and it has like the right oils in it, so it will kind of hydrate your face even though it's also a cleanser, and it has the little pieces of like maize flour or a popcorn in it that scrub your face as well. I love it. Okay, then moving on to the makeup products. First of all, I'm so surprised that this is still here, but it is. This is the D8 lip color that I've been working on for quite a while. It's kind of like a liquid lipstick or a lip lacquer or however you want to call them. So it's a fairly thick consistency. I can definitely see windows starting to show through it, but I've taken the stopper out, and as you can tell, this brush is still completely covered in product. There definitely is some against the edges of this as well, and every time I take this out there is just a huge amount of product still on it. Even though I thought it was getting close to being done, it definitely isn't. I've used this most of the days over the last month, and I've still got quite a bit to go. I really thought, because I've been using it quite a while already, I was close to having this one done, and I'm not. Still hoping I can finish it by next time, but I can't make any promises about that one. The product that I did finish is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This one was all the way up to here already the last time I showed you guys this. And then it was basically just a lot of bending work to try and get the last little bits out, and I've done that now, so happy about that. This one always takes me forever. It takes me close to a year to use one of these up. Like, they're not cheap, but if I can use them for a year, then that is fine with me. I love this, and I've already repurchased it, so I'm gonna start working on the next one over the next year. So that is 1 product done. Still 4 products I'm gonna be working on, but I hope 2 of them at least I can finish off. But a product done means I'm gonna be rolling something in as well. Now, I kind of wanted to stick to makeup originally, so I would have like at least 2 makeup products in here, but we just started our roulette pan collab as well. It will be linked up here, and this is together with Alexi and Rebecca and loads of other people, and I have makeup products in there as well. I've got so many projects with makeup products that I decided to, for now, just stick with a body product. This is the Voya Feel the Heat Muscle Warming Arnica Gel. I am about here on this one right now, so I've still got quite a way to go, and this I bought to kind of help with the pain in my muscles after I've been working out. It's supposed to warm up your skin, so it kind of helps soothe the muscle, and it definitely warms up my skin. a little bit too much to my liking. I would not repurchase this one just because it gets so warm. It feels like almost like my body can't handle it or something. That sounds really bad. I can handle it, it's fine, but it's just not a very pleasant feeling. I don't think it's supposed to be overly pleasant, but it's still, yeah, not a fan. I just want to get this out, and just because I don't like using it too much, I don't use it as often as I should, because I do work out quite regularly. So I'm gonna try and see if when I put this in here I can actually make some nice progress on it. And that is it. So like I said, I hope I can finish off at least these 2 Lush products by the next time you guys will see an update on this. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.